I'll quickly start without wasting much time. So, Lit Legal Consulting is a private limited company where I am a director, and I have another associates with me who's a lawyer, and many more associates. But next slide, please. So, brief facts about me is that I'm a business graduate from Christ University, Bangalore, and CACS, and I've pursued diploma in information system audits. Apart from that, I have exemption in CA final exams. I've worked in Bangalore for almost 3 years before finally settling down in Nagpur. My education background also has been from Bangalore. Been there for almost 6 years before finally moving here. Next slide. So what all we do? I thought because CAs have generally a boring presentation, so I'd just make it interesting by putting in these uh, interesting images. Anyways, so the services I can provide is CFO outsourcing. Not many people in Nagpur would have heard what CFO outsourcing is. It's like totally like like marketing is a total wing. So similarly, finance is totally a wing. So you totally outsource it to a particular person. So that will be CFO outsourcing. So you get a and then he takes care of all your finance and everything related to your accounts, and obviously GST, when then the issues related to GST. Since the implementation of GST, we have been dealing with multiple problems of GST, so that I'm taking care of. Project finance, yes, we have done a lot of project finance for my clients. So that is one category which I'm into. MIS reports is an interesting category. Not many people in Nagpur are doing. So MIS reports is like a management information system report for people who have multiple businesses or even single business also if you're interested. So you can uh, get a MIS report generated like where you are spending your money and where you are losing out, and where your profits are coming. So it helps you focus more or the areas where you should strive to achieve success more. Then income tax scrutiny and litigation, company related to incorporation services and registrations, yes. Trademark and IPR consultancy, information system audit, because I'm a diploma in information system audits by ICI. So yes, I can conduct those audits as well. Next slide, please. So this is how a person reacts when he gets a notice or has a need and he has no idea where to go. So generally, this is the expression he has. Next slide. So areas, valuation of companies, working capital finance, project finance, bank guarantees and other loans. Then there is advisories on income tax issues, GST services, again registration and compliance is just like company law. There's a company's fresh start scheme, which is a very nice scheme for people who have defaults in their companies whose DIN numbers are blocked or have some prosecutions on them because of their non-filing. Because after November of 2019, the fines have gone up like anything. It's like 100 rupees per day per form is the fine you end up paying if you do not, if you are lenient with your company compliances. So this is a very good time for saving your money. I would say thanks to COVID or whatever. This is a good time. Then litigation support, apart from that, scrutiny support, appellate authority support, and representation before tax authorities, even ESIC, PF, if there's any requirement, I'm available. Next slide. So how do we do it? I mean, involvement, and I have my personal involvement in the finance cases, GST issues also. I looked into details, and I believe in in-depth study of whatever I'm doing. So if I don't know something, I'll not go and suggest, or I'll rather say that I'll just check and let you know. uh, and Obviously minimizing your interest and penalties, then developing tax planning strategies, implementation of processes, training staff on issues related to direct and indirect taxes, and even bookkeeping issues where and whenever required, and personally engaging with the tax authorities on behalf of the clients. Next slide. So till now, I've done assessments in Nagpur, in Kolkata, and Mumbai. So I've saved around 10 crores of loss for a particular client. And apart from that, there are other appeals and cases which I've handled, income tax appeal cases and high court cases. Like I've worked on, um, like for example, this national related to a GST case. There's a national anti-profiteering litigation in Delhi, so you have to prepare all the representations. I've worked on that. Then in income tax appeals is the normal, the appeals is a normal thing, and income tax appeal also. There's a land dispute income tax case which had a huge demand on it, like close to 3.5 crores. So again, preparation and drafting of those income tax matters I've worked on. Again, for High Court, obviously the lawyer has to present, but I've worked on it. Um, Turnover of more than 15 crores in bank finance. That's the project finance and loans turnover I've achieved till now. Apart from that, service tax assessments, I've taken care of. GST related issues I've handled. Again, scrutinies and audit is a regular thing for CA related to GST and income tax. Next, please. So, where you can refer me to any person who has a requirement in any sector. Uh, I'm always available and ready to help. And wherever you hear the word impossible, I believe that there are things which I can do, by putting in efforts and achieving extraordinary results wherever required. And wherever you see opportunity or a problem, so you can refer me to the real estate companies, startups. Like currently, I'm also currently working on a startup which I'm setting up in Goa, because they are providing very good facilities over there. Like they're providing uh, subsidies to the companies who are working over there locally.
Okay,
So there is
Ankush,
even
sorry to interrupt you. Time आपका हो गया है. Can you wind up in 30 seconds? Yeah,
immediately.
yeah. Sorry, sure.
So they're reimbursing the salaries also, for example. Okay. All right. Next slide, please. So special offer for Sampark members, since this COVID issue going on, complete health checkup if you're looking for any kind of project consultancy, transaction advisory related to financial year 1920 tax planning, or any notice or any trouble you're facing, you're more than welcome, and I'll be available to help you. Money is a secondary thing, but I'm always available. Please do contact. Next. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rahulji. Thank you, Sampark.